Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to connect your phone to a Mitsubishi Lancer full guide. Start by enabling Bluetooth on your phone and put the car in accessory mode so it can be discovered. Open Bluetooth settings, choose the Lancer entry, and verify the PIN shown on both devices. Allow any requested permissions for contacts and audio, then test calls and media playback to confirm a reliable connection and audio routing. In this video, I will show how to connect your phone to a Mitsubishi Lancer full guide. If you prefer wired connections, use a good USB cable to enable CarPlay or Android Auto and keep charging steady. Test the AUX input if your model supports analog audio and ensure the cable seats fully. When you encounter glitches, reboot the phone and cycle the car power to refresh the head unit and reset the connection. In this video, I will show how to connect your phone to a Mitsubishi Lancer full guide. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers, perfect for coffee trips and busy days in your Lancer, and no more lunch spills on the upholstery. If this helps, please subscribe and like the channel. Check the description for the product link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to connect your phone to a Mitsubishi Lancer full guide. When pairing fails, clear old devices from the car and your phone to avoid conflicts. Install any available firmware updates for the head unit and update your phone OS to improve compatibility. If problems persist, reset your phone network settings and retry pairing, then test calls and streaming to ensure stable operation and full feature access in the car.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.